Have you ever met someone who instantly commands attention, without even trying? They don't talk louder, dress better, or force themselves into the spotlight, yet everyone feels drawn to them. That's not luck, it's dark charisma psychology in action. And once you understand it, you can use it to attract respect, admiration, and even obsession. Charisma isn't about looks, it's energy, confidence, and control. But dark charisma goes deeper. It's about mastering the invisible triggers that influence human behavior, the same techniques used by powerful leaders, movie stars, and master persuaders throughout history. It blends psychology, emotional intelligence, and subtle dominance, not manipulation, but magnetic awareness. When someone feels drawn to you, it's not magic, it's dopamine. Psychologists say the brain rewards us when we sense power, mystery, or confidence. That's why charismatic people feel different. They trigger emotional curiosity. They use 3 core cues: stillness, steady eye contact, and emotional control. The less reactive you are, the more others chase your attention. One secret of charisma is emotional contrast. When you shift between warmth and seriousness, people's emotions stay engaged, they can't predict you, and the brain craves what it can't predict. Be passionate, then calm, smile, then hold silence. This creates emotional rhythm, and rhythm equals attraction. Every charismatic person radiates 3 traits. First, mystery. They don't reveal everything. Second, confidence. They trust their value, even in silence. And third, presence. They listen deeply and make people feel seen. People don't remember what you said. Isay na maperbang wistan sa maperden. Idan and dan ein biberdine wister die arai bine and kinen sign. And I remember beat the sty. We quai as a science side. It is but per I and she. We kai and dadin sign say felt around you. Mystery is the heart of dark charisma. When you're not always available, when you pause before responding, when you maintain calm while others overreact, you project quiet power, and power, in human psychology, equals attraction. To start building your own magnetic energy, stop oversharing. Mystery builds value. Speak slower and with pauses, maintain strong eye contact, control your emotional reactions, and always leave people wanting more. Charisma isn't born, it's built, and once you master it, people won't just notice you, they'll feel you. If you want more deep psychology breakdowns like this, hit subscribe, and take control of the room before you even walk in.